here online answering your Chow Chow question, and here it is, how to make it simple and easy. This is what you're gonna need to start. Green cabbage and green tomatoes, about 2.5 pounds diced. What we need to do is get all the water out of them by pouring about 1/4 cup of salt over the top and letting it sit for about 1.5 hours. This is the base of our Chow Chow. Then we're gonna simmer all the other ingredients in a pot. 6 Fresno chilies that I've sliced into rings. And then we add 1 sweet diced onion, 4 cups of cider vinegar, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of mustard seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, and then 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I'm mincing that garlic. And then we're adding all of that together in the pot and we're letting it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then we're gonna fold in prepared mustard. And last but not least, those beautiful green onions, about 1 cup of them, seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. There you have it. Think of it as a relish and use it on any of your favorite dishes.